Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to check for game updates on PS5. To let your games update, your PS5 must stay connected to the internet. Without it, updates are simply impossible once you establish that your console is connected to the internet. You can manually check for each game updates. I'll explain step by step process for manually checking your game update status. Please keep watch on this video. For this first step is turn on your PS5, go to home screen, head to the top of the main menu, move to the games tab, scroll through your games until you find the one to check on, highlight the game with your cursor, press options on your controller, choose check for update from the drop down menu. If there are not any update, you can continue on your merry way of gaming. If there are updates, the PS5 somehow missed it. Handle the download process right away. You will either have to play another game or do something else as your game receives at least updates. Users are not big fan of how you can't check for games updates in your library. Instead, you can only check the last few games you played. If you want to check for a game you have not played a long time, you might have to play it so it appears in the menu. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video.